So this compost has all been sieved, and I need to fill up the seed trays and get some of my early seeds planted. So nothing too extravagant to start with, mainly just brassicas to get them going. But I want to show you these seed trays. These are amongst my favourite to use, and why that is that they have these rubberized bottoms, so it allows me to push young plants out without damaging the roots. So I'm not going to be sowing today, I should do that Saturday, but the soil is nice now, so I'm happy for that to plant my seeds in, and I'll get on with that the weekend. It's been a bit of a bits and pieces day today. Okay, I've sieved out a load of compost, I've decided what seed trays to use, but I also need to find a final home for all my bits of timber. So I've laid the weed membrane, selected the area, an area behind the greenhouses. Why this area? Because it's big enough to store the timber, but also is close enough to allow me, when I need to make some modifications to raised beds, etc. So there's quite a bit of it, but it's all different sizes, and you know, I tend to give away more than I use, but it's there, it's always useful, so I don't just want to burn it. So I haven't really got much to show you today, but hopefully the little bit I did show you will help some of you be even more determined to carry on gardening, even if you have health challenges. Until Saturday, bye bye.